These days, a lot of men desire to last longer in bed. Whether they suffer from premature ejaculation or not, they often desire to extend their stamina and their lasting power. So when a woman is able to help him last longer, that is a very valuable skill. And today, I'm going to tell you exactly how it's done. My name is Helena Nista and I make videos that help you have the best sex of your life. And in this video, we're discussing how any woman can help her lover last much longer in bed. There's already been quite a few instances in my life when I surprised my lover by guiding him through a sexual experience where he managed to last much longer than he ever has in his life before. And this is something that these men have typically reacted to with a huge surprise or even shock. But each time, each one of these men had a very positive or even enlightening experience in how a woman can be helpful in extending their sexual experience together. And this is something that any woman can do. It doesn't require any special skill or talent. It just requires a bit of solid knowledge about a man's body and how his arousal works, and hence how it can be extended much beyond what men are used to during intercourse. So let's explore this area deeper. Let's have a look at how any woman can help her lover last much longer in bed. The first thing to understand here is what actually leads a man to ejaculation. And it is his excitement. It's as simple as that. This excitement is built by sexual stimuli, his lover's naked body, her touch, sexual images in his head, but most of all, the stimulation of his penis. If his penis is being stimulated in a way that builds his arousal, he will come. Ladies, that means the need to pace his arousal and to slow down the entire experience. Just because he's inside of you doesn't mean that he needs to keep pumping like a jackhammer until he's done. Just because you're stimulating him orally or manually doesn't mean that you need to go hard and fast until he explodes. It's okay to slow down. It's okay to take breaks. If his body becomes overexcited, he will come. And for most men, that means the end of the intercourse. So bear that in mind and slow him down. I want you to start paying attention to something very specific when you're in bed with your man, and that is muscle tension in his pelvic area. Men typically tense up all the muscles surrounding their genitals as they get aroused. This tension is almost involuntary and it accelerates his ejaculation. So paying attention and helping him relax his pelvic muscles is going to help him last longer. This can look like placing your hands on his hips and gently massaging that area or rocking it from side to side. You can also encourage him with your voice saying relax, let go, or soften your pelvic area. Another thing to pay attention to is his breath. Is it fast and shallow or slow and deep? Because again, this is something that will influence his ejaculation. Fast, shallow breaths will promote a faster climax, while deep, relaxed breathing will keep him going longer. So help him by noticing his breath and by guiding him to slower, deeper sort of breaths. It's not about hyperventilating, but about calming down the body with a relaxed breath. Finally, one more thing that is a powerful tool of expanding his lasting power is your touch. Many women make the mistake of touching him mainly on or around his cock. And while that will feel very pleasurable and exciting for him, it will also localize his sexual energy in one area. And you don't want that. In order to help him last longer, his erotic energy needs to flow, move, and expand in his body. And that kind of experience requires a full body touch. So instead of venturing mainly to his nether regions, allow your hands to wander all over. Touch his belly, chest, arms, neck, face, his legs, his buttocks, even feet. Stroke, massage, and caress him all over during the experience, and particularly as he gets more aroused. This will really help to guide his excitement all over his system instead of keeping it locked in his genitals. And if you would like even more powerful tools, techniques, and ideas to play with, make sure to check out my book, Legendary Lover, and my free online course, Tantra for Beginners. Both are linked in the description bar below. Also, don't only listen to this information, but also apply it in bed with your man tonight. And if you found this knowledge helpful, please make sure to leave me a like and a comment below. What are your best tricks to last longer or to make him last longer? I love reading every single comment that you guys leave me, and I love responding to them all. On another note, I've just returned from my European holidays where I've been vlogging and sharing my experiences on my personal vlog channel. So make sure to check it out if you haven't already. You'll also find the link below. And finally, I'd love to give huge thanks to everyone who's been supporting my work by signing up on my Patreon page. The work I do here on YouTube is my passion, so it means a lot to receive support from anybody who has found my content helpful. Thank you so much. You guys are making my videos possible, and I'm deeply grateful for that. And I'm really excited to be back home after my holidays, rested, refreshed, and ready to keep making awesome videos. Thank you so much again for all your support. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and I'll see you next week.